Welcome everyone back to Sheepirace. Let us start the elimination. Welcome to the elimination, everyone. Last time, the viewers chose one of you sheeps to be eliminated. The prizes for today are dried kelps. Black, you are immunity, so you're safe. Here is your dried kelp. Jeb _ congrats, you're safe. It's because you're rainbow, aren't you? And everyone loves rainbows. Red, you're eliminated. So brown, here is your dried kelps. Red, I'm feeling bad for you since you were the first one eliminated, but just for good measure, I will always remember you by giving you dried kelp. Now let's start the next contest, which will take place where we were. The next contest will be harder than before. Well, it's similar like the last one, but without code and another thing. Winning space will be shorter, will be like that. Are you guys ready? Oh, yeah. Before the challenge begins, here are all of the sheeps remaining. Go! This was the, yeah, do you guys remember this? This was one of the intros of Object Terror. Anyways, why are no people going over here? Oh, it's because of this. My bad. My apologies. And this freaking guy, okay. The first two contestants up for elimination are blue or just lapis or dark blue or DB or indigo or navy. And the first one safe is white, and the other up for elimination is light gray. Green is the next one safe. I will wait until this gets a little full, until there are 4 contestants. Brown, are you kidding me? You're up for elimination again. I hate your life. Okay guys, 4 people were up for elimination. And 4 people are safe. Wow, actually 5. Between Jeb _ Dinnerbone, white, green, and purple. And now black is safe. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Vote in the comments between light gray, navy, brown, or magenta to be eliminated in day 3. Whoever gets the most votes will leave the show.
everything off shit.